Welcome to my channel Go Digital with Charvi. This video is for each one of you who has prepared years for government exam and now you want to pivot your career into digital marketing so that you can get a good job and stable career. So in this video, I'll tell you complete roadmap how you can start your career in digital marketing. Is digital marketing right field for you or not? Not just limited to this, I have 9+ years of experience in digital marketing, and what is my observation from the people around? Are there similar people who have taken the same trajectory or not? All your questions will be answered so that it can help you in deciding that is digital marketing right field for you or not, and how you can begin your career in digital marketing. Now we'll move to the very first and very basic question, is digital marketing right for you? So I have worked in this industry and I have met so many people who have followed the same trajectory. They actually were preparing for exam for a few years, and after that they decided that they should go for a job and start earning, and then they chose digital marketing and got into this field, and now they are earning a good salary after 2 years. So definitely this is the right field, and so many people like you have followed the same journey. So if you have a question that is this digital marketing correct for you or not, so yes, it is definitely correct for you, and I'll give you proper roadmap how you can enter into this field and then start your career. Now the second question is how to start digital marketing. So to start digital marketing, there are a lot of options that you have. Definitely there are so many free resources in the market that you can go ahead with, and you can start learning basics of digital marketing. This is an important step because this will help you in analyzing that is digital marketing is something that actually interests you, and if it interests you, definitely you can go for paid courses, you can actually start your career through internship, etc. So this is a very important step, so do explore free resources. I have created one ebook for you where I have highlighted best free resources for you, which can help you even in getting some certification. And so in case you are looking to get details of such courses, I'm linking ebook here that you can download and get all the details. After doing free course, what's next? So once you have done your free course, now it is the time to actually choose good paid courses, because I think you are at this stage where you cannot waste any single day. I really want you guys to get into digital marketing, learn from the best places, and then start and basically get a job so that you can start your career. So it's very important to pick the right courses for you that can actually help you in landing good job. So in this ebook, I have specifically highlighted paid courses which you can go ahead with. This is from my experience, what I've seen, like what all my friends and acquaintances have done. So these courses are highlighted like that, so definitely have a look, and then you can choose from these courses and select one best for yourself. In case you're wondering, I don't want to spend money, you have already spent a lot in preparing government exam, let me tell you one thing, okay? It's one-time investment, because these courses actually promise you a certain package. So definitely once you go through the course and then you do it, then after a few months you will have a job. So everything will average out. You don't need to worry about it. Just go with the course, because that will help you in landing a good job. Step. If you have gone through the curriculum of digital marketing, you must be aware that there are a lot of fields in digital marketing, right? There is SEO, there is social media, there is paid advertising, there is analytics. So what type of field you should choose for yourself? And this is a very important question which I have again answered in my ebook. I have given a proper roadmap how you can get into this field, because it's very important to choose the right field. There is no scope of mistake in your career. So definitely go with the field I have highlighted, because that can pay you the most and help you in grabbing a good job. And over the years, you can see a good increment in your salary. So go for this field and definitely definitely download this ebook. It has all the details, proper roadmap for you. I have also highlighted and created one video on how to create a resume that actually lands you a job. So ensure that you follow the steps and focus on most important thing, that is hands-on experience, because that is something which will give you a good job. Hope this video helps. In case you want to download the PDF ebook, I am pinning that in the comments, so you can take it from there. If you still can't find it, then I am also adding it in the description. Beside this, if you want to get one-on-one consultation from me, where you can actually spend 30 minutes and talk about all your questions related to digital marketing, if you should go ahead or not, what are your thoughts about the salary, etc., then you can book one-on-one consultation. It's free for first 5 users. So book it with me. I'll try to answer all your questions and help you in starting your career in digital marketing. Stay tuned.